Hi, my name is Riley, and I was a former medical assisting student, and I work at Game Day Men's Help. I used to be a server, but I just decided I wanted to do something better, so I just decided that medical assisting would be for me. I love building relationships with people, and in the healthcare setting, there's so many people that need help, whether they're sick, whether it's mental help, whether the field that I work in is dealing with men's health. And I didn't actually ever see myself doing that, and so I just took a leap. I found Dixie Tech. I knew that they were a really good program because I had a couple friends that were in the culinary arts program, and they just really inspired me. It was the right place at the right time.
Our programs are Monday through Thursday. We have a couple of different options, and then we have the option of a makeup day on Friday. But they're looking at about a year with classroom time, and then we send them off on a 180-hour externship once they're done with their classwork. We try to get into the lab as soon as possible.
You'll spend half the time clinically in the lab here, and then you'll spend the other time in the classroom. And they're just teaching stuff on the board, like the orders of draw, all of the needle gauges, how you're supposed to draw the blood, any preanatal errors or concerns, the straight sticks, the butterfly needles, the hands, and the EKG machines and blood pressures. They teach you everything that you need to know, and then at the end you take a exam.
The only certification that we teach towards and have them do is the national certification through NHA, and then they can get extra on top of that. The need for medical assistance is really high. I have people reach out to me all the time saying that they need medical assistance. I see job listings for medical assistance frequently.
You do a wide variety of things. I've known students to go on to be nurses, to go on to med school. They want to become doctors or surgeons. Students typically get placed in any type of specialty clinic. So you have cardiology, pulmonology, rheumatology, those kinds of clinics, family med setting, internal med, pediatrics, Instacare. You learn so much.
As long as they stick through it, every single person that I've had has passed their national certification test, and they get hired. If it's not through their externship site, then it's shortly after.
I have never had better instructors in my life than Barbara, Anna, and Ashley. It felt like a family to me.
I love teaching students something that I'm so passionate about, something that I love. Teaching them and watching the excitement on their face is just such a reward at the end of the day.
I definitely think that this is where I belong. I mean, I've met so many wonderful people here, and the instructors are amazing, the program's amazing, everything's easy to understand, and when it's not, they help you through it. This is the place. If you want a good, solid education, this is the place to come.